Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player application. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application, and update if you haven't. If it didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, remove your earbuds from the charging case. Then, at the back side of each earbud, right here we have touch controls. Now, put your earbuds to your ears and then press and hold both these controls on your left or right earbuds until you will hear the prompt power off. So we need to turn off them, so press and hold. Power off. Now release your fingers and then press and hold again until you will hear the prompt device activate. Device active. Firstly, these headphones turn on, then enter to pairing mode, you'll hear these prompts, and then you'll hear device active prompt. Power on. Now pairing. I keep holding these controls. Device active. After that, we can reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices. And to the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget the Device button, or you may have Forget button or Forget Device button, or Unpair or Remove. And Forget Device. And you will totally remove your headphones from your phone. Then, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at that button. And then you will see your headphones at the device list. Tap on them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!